Paul Robinson likes fishing. He goes fishing every evening in summer, and he goes fishing on Saturday and Sunday in winter. And he had a wife named called John. And one day they decided to go fishing and go on holidays for 2 weeks. And the wife said, "What am I going to do with you?"
And he said, what? You're going to come fishing?
"You are going to come fishing with me," said Paul.
And so they went on their fishing trip. What happened on their fishing trip? She did everything.
She did everything wrong. She pulled her lines quickly, and she talked loudly. And also she
caught more.
She caught more fish than his husband.
Yeah, so her husband was very what?
So her husband was very
angry. Okay, good job. Good job.